Hey, good morning and happy Harness Your Hump Day. I'm Tom Harness, owner of Harness Digital Marketing, and kind of an Eskimo today. I look like I'm prepared for the Arctic blast or the frozen tundra of Lumbau Field. Either way, many of us in the Midwest are being pounded with snow, and we are having to stay warm. And today is actually the first day, other than last Friday, that I've been in the office because we've been working remotely to keep my team safe with all the weather that is going on, because safety first here at Harness Digital Marketing. So how is everybody out there in Facebook and Twitter and YouTube land? How is everybody this morning? I hope you're staying warm. Today is kind of a special day for many people, and I know that it seems like it's taboo when you try to incorporate faith or religion into your business, but I have a little bit of a different take or twist on it today, and it's more of just kind of looking at the season. So today is Ash Wednesday. This is the day when people go out and they have the little blotch, little black mark, and everybody's like, hey man, you got something on your forehead. Or they totally ignore it and they let you walk throughout the day with a little black mark. So today symbolizes Ash Wednesday, which is the first day of Lent. For many of us, we are fasting today, and then that also means no meat on Fridays. So there's a lot of sacrifice and giving up when we kind of talk about, Ash Wednesday and Lent. But the reason I'm bringing that into this picture is mostly just to kind of let you reflect on for a second. As business owners and organizations or businesses, we sacrifice a lot already. We sacrifice our time. We sacrifice time with family, from the things that we enjoy. There's a lot of sacrifice, but we also sacrifice things within the business itself. And I want to talk a little bit about that today and maybe help you guys reflect a little bit, or if you have some questions, or if you want to kind of elaborate a little bit or say, I don't think so, or you disagree, either way, let's have a discussion about what it means to sacrifice for your business. So I think sometimes as a business owner, myself included, sometimes we're so far in the forest we can't see the trees, right? And it means that sometimes we might be the detriment to our business or to what's going on or to our growth. So what does it mean to give up, to let go? One of the things I had to do early on was I kind of had to fire myself from specific positions in the business because I was just okay. And they weren't really at the level that they needed to be for us to continue to grow. And as many as you know, when you are a small business, you have to be able to do a lot of things. And if you can't, that means you have to pay, which means takes money out of your pocket, your family, your business, whatever it might be. There's this chain reaction or this balance that goes on. And when you're sacrificing those things and when you decide to fire yourself from some of those positions, it's freeing, because it then helps you focus on what you're really good at, that one thing that in the business can help you do. Another position that I fired myself from temporarily, which actually was more of a time thing, was from sales. I hired someone to come in, do sales, and then I ended up taking it back on and redistributing it. And I found out by going through these growing pains, they weren't things that I was doing wrong. They weren't things that I was necessarily doing right. But they were things that were helping me learn how to adapt and make the business grow. We tend to have this mindset that when we write our business plan and our business model, it's here it is. And yes, I think you have to have a plan, and it works, and I have one for Harness Digital Marketing. But as you are growing, whether it's your marketing plan, whether it's your growth plan, whether it's just anything that deals with your business, you have to still be flexible and be willing to adapt it and see where it goes. That doesn't mean that every time someone says, hey, you should do this, you jump on the bandwagon. That's a downfall for many entrepreneurs and business owners too. They do too much. They don't stay focused, right? So what are you giving up? What are you truly giving up in your business? Because we all kind of want that control, right? We all want to control the business, and we think that we're in control of it. And if we do this, this, and this, everything's gonna be fine. And if this employee doesn't do this, it's their fault because they did. No, you got to just give that crap up. You've got to understand that every opportunity that you go into work every day is truly an opportunity to grow your business. It's not coming at you as a detriment. It's not coming at you as something that is negative. It's slow down. How is this affecting my business and how can we flip that? I've talked with many people, entrepreneurs, small business owners, organizations about trying to flip the negative into a positive, not looking at everything coming at you as being negative, but as an opportunity. And it might seem like, well, how can I keep flipping everything and making it positive? It's because you probably need to slow down and trust your team. And if you don't have a team, you probably need to start looking at building one, and have a little faith. Have a little faith in yourself, the people that you've surrounded yourself with as well. Another thing about giving up is bad habits, right? As business owners, we also, we might have gone into this very healthy, and then we start making sacrifices, right? We stay up later. We let our clients and customers have 24/7 access for us. What that's doing is creating a negative, bad habit for us as business owners, and we got to flip that around too. We have to be able to look at our time as being just as valuable and precious as our time spent with our family, as our time spent with our clients. And you have to set those boundaries. You have to be able and willing to set those boundaries with clients and with things in your life to help you focus on you, whether that's eating healthy, whether that's exercising, all those things that you probably gave up to justify that if I do all this, my business will succeed. Get out of that mindset. If I keep doing, you'll keep chasing that. Enjoy your business day to day, and find the ways and find the things that you enjoy about it. And if you start to lose that, you definitely need to take a step back and maybe think about the other things to give up to refocus what your purpose is. I'm trying to look at my notes here. Yeah, I talk about how to use this season of Lent as a catalyst for making a change for your business and organization, but I also talk about it to empower you to fall back in love with your business, and a lot of times that can be with your marketing and your social media. And that's what I want to end with, is kind of giving up. What are you giving up? Some of those bad habits, probably social media. Business owners, stop following and looking at everything nonstop. If you aren't getting comments and you're not shaking the tree a little bit, then you're probably not really pushing the envelopes of your marketing, or you're really not pushing the envelopes of your brand. You can sit back and be like, why doesn't anybody know me, and not put anything out there? Or you can push forward and deal with anything, own your business, own who you are. You can push forward and deal with whatever comes at you. But at the end of the day, you have to decide what you're willing to do to make your business grow and succeed. And I'm hoping that somewhere in there, you sacrifice some things or give up control of things to help you grow. And I think that's the best thing that we can do when we have that. So I'm interested in knowing what you're giving up, whether it's from a faith-based perspective for Ash Wednesday or Lent, or your business. What are you going in 2021? What are you going to give up and move forward with, right? I mean, that's what we really want to do. We want to forget about last year and we want to be able to, 2021, make some changes. And what better time to do that if you haven't done it as a resolution for New Year's Day? Then what about the season of Lent? What about this season to really reflect, spend some time reflecting, and spend a little time with you? And if you are faithful, spend a little time with God and just ask some guidance on how he can be present in your business. So everybody, I hope you have a wonderful Lent. And if you see the little mark, remember, it's all good. There's not dirt on their forehead, I promise. Okay? All right. Every Monday, please remember to watch Marketing Makeup Monday with our very own Crystal Davis. Crystal has been doing this consistently and great for quite a while. She's got great tips on using makeup for branding and marketing purposes, and she is a ball of energy, and she loves it. And you know what? She's pretty good. She's pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Also, want to give a shout out to Dana Communications, Withers Broadcasting, for partnering with Harness Digital Marketing on the Stars and Stripes SI Facebook group page. We are continuing to trying to grow that. We are working on the next season of stuff that we're going to have. If your business wants to be a part of that and sponsor some of it, or if you want to just post in there because you're a veteran-owned business, you're a veteran organization, or you support veterans, please go check out, follow, and you know what? Throw some stuff in there every while. Throw some stuff in there every once in a while. Let people know that you care about our veterans, and let them know. So if your business or organization is in need or dire need of some digital marketing, please hashtag let us turn the light bulb on for your business organization. We would love to do that. Everybody, go out there today, tomorrow, forever, and be the reason someone smiles.